Alright guys.
Fish on, fish on!
Alright. You probably lifted up most likely. Oh, I got off. But I got it on film. Cool. Alright, I was just saying, stay tuned for some action. We're here on Browns Lake, end of August. Cold day. Feels like October. But we're gonna try and catch some fish. Browns Lake's a nice place to just have a good time. So stay tuned for some action.
Ooh, nice one.
See if I can get easy out on this guy. That's how you do it. Little guy goes home.
Okay, stay tuned for more.
Sure. Cool. Should I try and do the easy out? Just hold on a second, bring it close.
Fish on, fish on.
Oh, there's a largemouth.
Hey, that was the one that I had earlier.
It could be.
Stay tuned for some more.
That's right. Fish on. Whoa! Yeah, that came in quick. Yeah, that's what happens. We miss some footage. Cool. I'll unhook it. Alright, Tim's got a fish.
Fish on. Nice fighter.
Oh, nice.
Oh, I think I got it hooked in the eye.
A little bit, yeah. It was here. Bring it here. It was on the. Here, just keep the tip up so I could grab the fish. All right, Tim. Cool.
Here we go.
There we go.
Hey. Producing, baby.
Browns Lake. Fish on.
Ooh. That's a nice one. There we go.
All right, we got action. Oh, look at that.
Recording.
We got another pike. Oh, that's almost a bite off. See that? Hungry fellas. Man, like swallowed it.
Does that have my lure in it?
It might. It's all bloody because, man, he chowed down. Fish on. You left your pole in? Should be okay. Just try and keep it there. I get this net ready in case. Ooh, pike. A little guy.
Oh, look at it!
Take your time. No steel leader. It's a pike, I think. It's a nice pike. No steel leader, so. Alright. Good job.
Booyaka!
Alright, Tim's onto something. Oh, nice. Nice largemouth, man. Real nice. Pop that tip up and I'll try and net it. Alright. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. Alright, Tim's onto something. Nice. Nice largemouth, man. Real nice. Pop that tip up and I'll try and net it. Alright. That's a beauty. That's a beauty. Beautiful fish, Tim.
Alright, going back.
Going back home. Alright, stay tuned. Cool. Good job, man. Nice fish. Browns Lake. Pike on. Tim's got a fish.
Nice pike.
Nice pike. See, maybe I can unhook it or I'll let himself loose. You know what?
I got it hooked somewhere.
Let me get
I think
some
the eye.
pliers. Here, bring it here a little bit. Let me see if I could just. Oh, you got it. You did get it in the eye. Let's see if I can get it really quick and undo it. There we go. Home sweet home. All right, Tim. That's the second cast, second fish. We found a spot finally and covered up some fish. Nice. Stay tuned. All right, Tim's on fire.
There we go.
Third cast, third fish.
Fourth cast.
Fourth cast, third fish.
It felt good. Nice hit.
Nice largemouth. This one I'll net. Awesome. Good job, dude.
Yep.
Alright, Tim, another fish. Sweet. Awesome. I think you got another fish. You got weeds. Hey.
Well, Eric, it's about bloody time.
Yeah, fish on. Stuck in the weeds though. It's probably a little pike or a little bass. Maybe he's off. Who knows? Kind of dragging him in. There he is. No fight whatsoever. Dodge right into the weeds.
Well, maybe it's just. Oh, there is something there.
Come on, buddy. This guy's on fire. Alright, here, you could leave it in a little bit. I'm going to see if I could just... It's hooked one. Easy out.
Good jumper.
Little guy hit by the boat. Alright, I think we're going out with a bang.
I wanna go fishing, 'cause it takes my stress away. I wanna go fishing, try and cast my blues away. I wanna go fishing, I don't want to watch